Stand up. You're all right.
I'm scared.
Stand up.
You're breaking my heart. You're breaking my heart. But what if this ruins my whole life? Where am I?
Davidson. Yeah.
What is this?
On December 12, 2020, 4 officers at Nashville International Airport responded to a Southwest Airlines gate. A woman denied boarding had attempted to force her way onto the aircraft through other passengers. Upon arrival, officers detected a strong odor of alcohol and observed erratic behavior. The woman actively pushed through other passengers at the gate, prompting her immediate detention by airport police.
I didn't do anything wrong. Listen, I didn't do anything wrong. 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 Let me on the plane.
Relax.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Get that from her.
I didn't do anything wrong. It's not fair.
Hands behind your back. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Thank you.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate
I didn't do anything wrong.
Hands behind your back.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Hands behind your back.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Thank you. Welcome. Thank you. Appreciate it.
I didn't do
Sorry about that. Sit up. All right, listen. I'll show you this. Put it on there. Calm down. Okay? Come up. My family, 40. Stand up.
Stand up, ma'am.
Please! I did!
Stand up. Relax, relax.
Stop! Stop! I just wanted to go home! Stop!
Relax, relax.
Stop! Stop!
Ma'am, stop. Stop.
Relax, please.
With the B group, B 1 through 30, please. B 1 through 30.
Okay? Sit up. Sit up. Stand up for me. Let's get a wheelchair. You okay? Can you relax, okay? Relax, okay?
Seriously, why are you doing this to me? This isn't fair!
You all right?
This isn't fair! I was just supposed to go. Listen, stop! I was supposed to just go to my... I was supposed to just go on my flight. I'm a normal person. They're breaking my arm.
Stand
Oh
up.
my God!
Start walking.
I'm a person. I'm a normal person. Please.
Start walking.
I just wanted to go home.
Okay? Stand up for us.
Listen, I know that you guys think that this is
Just start
crazy.
walking, okay?
Just look at it. Just look at it.
You all right?
Please, just look at it.
You all right?
I know that you see me. Please, my God. I know that you guys see me. Please, I was just trying to go home. Ow, you're breaking my arm. You're breaking my arm.
Go to the right.
You're breaking my arm.
Just sit her down.
Ow!
Sit her down.
Ow! You're breaking my arm.
Then walk. Let's go.
You're breaking my arms. Why is this okay?
Walk.
Why is this okay? Why is this okay?
Just start walking.
Listen, I shouldn't have had to do this. I was just going home.
Just stand up.
You're breaking my arm. You're breaking my arm.
Here, don't throw it behind her.
Let's put her in there.
Let's put her in the wheelchair and take her down.
Breaking my arm. You are literally breaking my arm. Please, God,
Try the wheelchair.
please let me get. Listen, you are breaking my arm. You are breaking my arm.
Well, start walking.
Jesus, please, 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 listen, ma'am. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please. My arm.
All right, very careful.
My arms. Please. My arms are hurting so bad. Please. Please. Please let me go. Please let me go. Please let me go. My arms are hurting so bad. Please. Please let me go. My arms are hurting. Please let me sit.
Are you gonna walk?
Please.
Start walking. Stand up.
Get up. Get up.
Please just give me a second.
No.
Just give me a second.
We're about to be by the car. Stand up.
Please, it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad.
All right, let's search her.
My arms. Please, sweetheart, look at my arms. Please look
We
at
are
my
right
arms.
now. Come on.
Please look at my arms.
Search her real quick.
Please look at my arms. I can't. They're not.
Hold on, stop.
He's got surgery.
Please take them off. Please, but listen. Please.
Start walking.
Please, listen. My arms. I can't feel my arms. Please, I'm asking you. Please, I'm begging you.
So I was trying to fix the door, but I think it broke on the bottom, so I couldn't secure it.
I'm begging you.
There you go. Hold your feet in. Let me check your gloves.
Well, please, God, they're hurting so bad.
Stay seated.
Just take them off. Please, just take them off. No.
You're going to jail for public intoxication. All right? And resisting arrest, okay? There you go. Try to take a breath either, okay?
Why are you doing this to me?
I gave it to Princess.
I know, but what?
No,
I'm a princess?
Are my other
Why
officers.
are you doing this to me?
I don't
Listen. I thought you were my friend.
I am your friend.
But why did you do
Let go,
this?
let go, let go.
Do you think I deserve
No,
this?
you don't.
No, but I'm scared.
Sit up, you're all right.
I'm scared.
Sit up. Sit up.
Stop. 260 00.
Sit up. We're gonna get your seatbelted in.
Why are you doing this?
Sit up, please. You're all right.
Why don't you let me go? This isn't fair.
You're all right. Put your foot in here.
Why are you doing this to me?
42 or anything else?
Yeah.
I just wanted to go home.
Gotcha. You're gonna be fine.
You know, you hear me?
I
I
hear you.
just wanted to go home. This wasn't fair. This wasn't fair.
You'll be alright.
But what if this ruins my whole life?
It's not gonna ruin your life.
This isn't fair.
Just calm down.
What is your name?
Officer Goodwin.
Goodwin.
Yes, ma'am.
Goodwin.
Yes, ma'am. Just calm
Why
down.
did you do this? But I'm not. I didn't just look at my legs.
You kept fighting with us.
No, that person was mad because I wouldn't accept it. That gay person or whatever was pissed off because I wouldn't accept it. They said, "This is what you get." Listen, this wasn't fair.
Okay. We'll go check on you.
Listen.
Do you remember where you drank at today at the airport? By any chance?
At that it was like that place who was there.
Right there by your gates?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Hey,
They've
listen,
got
I
you.
don't want
Hold
to
up.
be alone, please.
You're good. They've got you.
Listen, hey,
They've got you.
I
They've
don't
got
want to
you.
be alone,
You're
please.
fine.
I don't
They've
wanna
got
be-
you. They've
Listen,
got you.
Hey.
Her actions fell under Tennessee Code Section 39-17-305, Disorderly conduct. The statute requires violent or threatening behavior in a public place with intent to cause public annoyance or alarm. The gate incident met this threshold. Officers issued repeated commands to place her hands behind her back, a standard lawful instruction during detention. Her sustained refusal to comply escalated the contact directly into an active arrest resistance. Tennessee Code Section 39-16-602 defines resisting arrest as obstructing an officer from effecting a lawful arrest through force or by creating a substantial risk of bodily injury. Each refusal added to her charges. To move her from the gate, officers applied soft, empty hand control, physical guidance without strikes. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, all force is evaluated from a reasonable officer's perspective at the moment of decision. Facing an intoxicated, emotionally volatile, non-compliant subject in a crowded terminal, officers chose guidance and a wheelchair over pain compliance, appropriate calibration of force to the actual threat level. The subject repeatedly claimed officers were breaking her arms. Discomfort during handcuffing is common when subjects resist. Pulling away or going limp dramatically increases joint pressure against the wrist restraints. Officers are trained to double-lock handcuffs to prevent tightening during transport. No visual injury was confirmed on footage. Maintaining restraints on a non-compliant arrestee is consistent with established departmental protocol. Before placing any arrestee in a patrol vehicle, a pre-transport search is legally required. Officers conducted this step at scene, serving both officer safety and chain of custody documentation purposes.
Once we get to the jail, before we process you... No, you're going to jail.
Go to jail, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You need to sit back. You need to sit back and act right, okay?
You're not.
Listen, if you keep acting out, you're not going to be able to get out until a long time.
You're not letting me out.
We're about to be there. Just try to relax, okay?
You're not letting me out.
Mess with my phone. Are you ready?
Oh, let me get that. Let me get that off first. Where's your shoe go? Where's the seatbelt off?
Watch out.
Where'd you leave your shoe?
I mean, it's right there. She unbuckled herself as well.
Okay. Come on, stand up, step up.
Come on.
You're all right. So I don't want you to fall, okay?
No, but why am I in this situation? No.
All right. Turn this way, please. Turn. No. Let's let her do it in there.
Where am I?
You're in jail.
Davidson. Yeah.
What is this?
Sit down.
Davidson County, Nashville. Clear shore. So you're gonna have to go to the airport to get your stuff when you get released, okay? You hear me?
What does that mean?
This bag is gonna...
I'm arrested, but how do I get released?
You have to bond out.
Yeah.
It's an easy process, they'll tell you. Okay?
But like never even had a traffic ticket.
I understand,
But like, what is happening?
So you're going to jail for public intoxication, okay? Disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest, okay?
Okay. What are we basing this off of? That lady?
Your actions in front of us. With us. Hi. Stop right here.
She was combative with us at the airport, but she's calmed down since, okay?
For the love of God.
You're alright. I just had to tell him.
You be pregnant?
Just listen to him, okay?
Really?
Hold on, let me...
I'll remember your...
Hey, you look at me.
Officers formally advised 3 charges: public intoxication under TCA Section 39-17-310 requires appearing in public while under the influence of alcohol to a degree dangerous to oneself, others, or causing public alarm. Inside the vehicle, the subject became emotionally fragmented, expressing confusion and claiming to be a princess. This disorganized thinking is consistent with acute alcohol intoxication impairing cause and effect reasoning. Despite prolonged non-compliance, officers maintained calm, reassuring dialogue throughout the encounter. This de-escalation approach prevented the situation from escalating into a more serious use of force incident. During transport, the subject voluntarily stated she had been drinking at an airport bar. Miranda protections apply to custodial interrogation, not general conversation. These statements were therefore legally admissible. The subject arrived at Davidson County Jail in Nashville, noticeably calmer as the alcohol metabolized. She was booked on disorderly conduct, public intoxication, and resisting arrest, all Class C misdemeanors. Each Class C misdemeanor in Tennessee carries a maximum of 30 days and a $500 fine per offense. At the time of this analysis, the disposition of all charges through Davidson County Court remains unconfirmed. Key lesson for passengers: intoxication does not suspend the law. One decision, forcing entry onto a denied aircraft, triggered 3 criminal charges and a night in custody that was entirely avoidable. Key lesson for law enforcement: this case demonstrates the value of patience and measured force. Officers who de-escalate consistently and avoid unnecessary pain compliance protect both the public and their department from liability.